Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to collect the client phone number in Hostinger website builder appointments system. Let's By default, the Hostinger website builder appointment system does not ask the booker for his phone number. As you can see, I only get the email address, full name, and country. To still ask him for his phone number, simply log in to your Hostinger account, then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and this website is this exact one. Instead of going first to edit website, then go to store manager, let's head directly to the store management area. And to start collecting the client phone number during the booking process, simply go to settings from this left side menu, then go to checkout. Below custom options, check this option off. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Below custom options, check this option of require phone number at checkout. Don't forget to click on this save button. Now that the updates are saved, let's verify this live. First, refresh the page. Let's go to the calendar, click on book now, pick a date, then an hour, hit book. And now on this checkout page, as you can see, the phone number is added successfully and is also required. And this is how to collect the client phone number in the Hostinger website builder booking system. If you still have a question, leave it in the comment below, and don't forget to give this video a like, and thank you.